Good afternoon, fifth grade online learners. Welcome to February 24th, 2021 science class. We're having some technical difficulties with the videos today, so we'll keep it brief, but we're going to do some review questions on page F69. Number one, what are electromagnetic waves? How are electromagnetic waves different from mechanical waves? Electromagnetic waves can travel in a vacuum, while mechanical waves cannot. Number two, write a paragraph about light using the terms reflection and refraction. So should you do that, write that paragraph, you should reveal an understanding that reflection is when a light bounces off of something, and refraction is when the path of the light changes. For example, if you're going through a magnifying glass or glasses to help you see better. Number three, what causes light to refract? Give an example from everyday life. Refraction of light occurs because light waves change speed when they pass from one material to another. If they strike the material at an angle other than 90 degrees, the waves can change direction. Number four, what might cause an overhead projector image to be out of focus? How might you correct the problem? Light rays may not be coming together correctly on the projection surface. Adjusting the lens could focus the image. Very old example because we don't really use overhead projectors anymore. And number five, a material's index of refraction indicates how greatly light is refracted by that material. Based on the data below, which material refracts light the most? Air has an index of refraction of 1.0, glass 1.5, and water 1.3. And the answer there would be glass refracts light the most. And test prep. Electromagnetic waves differ from mechanical waves in that they can travel through a vacuum. Let's see if I have something else. Here's some background about an optical cable. An optical fiber includes a thin glass core through which light travels, cladding, an outer material that reflects back onto the core, and a buffer coating that protects the fiber. Each fiber is about the diameter of a human hair. The fibers are arranged in bundles called optical cables. The optical cable is covered with a protective material. Because the cladding does not absorb light from the core, the light is able to travel very long distances. That's in my book. Here's one more thing. Common misconceptions. Many people think a mirage is an optical illusion that only occurs in deserts. But mirages are visible on many hot surfaces. On very hot summer days, the air just above the ground can become hotter than the air directly above it, forming a boundary. As sunlight from the relatively cooler air strikes the boundary, it is refracted upward. When the rays refract upward, they make the shimmering image look like water. So often in the desert have said they see water, only to go on to find it was not water. It was an image slightly above the ground of the shimmering heat that made it look like water when it wasn't. So people in a desert might run towards a water source and find out it's not even there. Okay, fifth grade online learners, make sure you do your journal entry for today and tomorrow and prepare for your quiz on Friday. Bye-bye.